What's going on, people? My name's Jamie. Welcome back to Officially Gassed. Today you're joining us from the cockpit of a 2015 RS3 owned by Peter. The car's got a few mods. We'll go through them in more depth later in the review. This review is not going to be too technical. It's going to be Peter's thoughts on the car. He's going to let me have a little drive of it. I'll give my feedback, and yeah, we just go from there. So stay tuned and let's get it. Pow!
Ocean.
So, Peter, thanks for coming down, brother. Thanks for coming down with his ultra loud, blacked out, murdered RS3, looking mad, sounding mad. We're taking a left here, bro. Yeah, so basically, first things first, how long have you owned the car, bro?
Since December.
Since December?
Yeah.
Okay, so not too long, What's your thoughts on the car so far?
I'm fucking loving it.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay. And I mentioned that this car's got some mods. Do you want to run us through which mods have been done?
So I've got fiber cross panel filler.
Yep.
Secondary decap Miltec, and then a dtuk tuning box.
Just out of interest, why did you pick a tuning box over a map? Like an ECU remap?
To be fair, I knew the owner that had this before, and he had the tuning box, so I was like, oh, do you want to buy it off me? So I cool. So it's just easy kind of thing. I guess with tuning boxes, they're easy, they're plug and play, warranty safe most of the time, and you can get good gains. Have you had any problems with the tuning box? Like when I had mine on my car, I almost felt like it was fighting against the ECU at sometimes, because that's what it's doing. It's kind of intercepting messages, isn't it, and changing things like that. And I found sometimes that was unpredictable to work. Sometimes you got like a ton of boost, and then next time you haven't, and then the boost will come in and out weird kind of. Do you find that too? Or not so much, sometimes I've had it when I get to 100, it just sits there, so it just cut the boost.
Okay. And I guess, well, as we say, these are the benefits of the tuning box. It's the ease of having the tuning box, warranty safe, and then obviously you do pay for that a little bit with these little freak things that happen. Whereas perhaps with a map done right, it might be custom tailored to the car and run a little bit better. Cool. And you say you've had the secondary decap. Okay, cool. So you could go one more.
Yeah, could go one more.
And it could be a lot louder.
Yeah, a lot louder.
Let me tell you guys, this car is loud as it is. You know what I mean? And also, what I've got to say, it's the first time I've ever been in an RS3, believe it or not. So I'm looking forward to this. You want to show me a little bit of power right now? Hey. How's a rolling launch that's done there? Yeah. That's crazy. And that's something that comes stock on all of these, you're saying, yeah?
All of them.
Yeah, bro, that's mad. But I don't see that a lot. People don't talk about rolling launch. Bro, that's fucking sick. Alright, so we're going to take a left here. Bro, the pops and the bangs on it.
It's just
said to me is you're a young guy. You're only 22, right? And you're driving a RS3. Now, bro, when I was 22, I wasn't driving an RS3. You know what I mean? A lot of guys are going to be envious of you. But also, you did tell me that you actually work for Audi, so they sorted you out to a certain extent. You know what I mean? Also, guys out there, young guys who are 22, this would be a dream car for them. What's your insurance like?
Well, they wouldn't let me pay monthly, take it that, so I had I had to pay them, I'll just say 1,500.
Oh,
yeah, that's it. Was it
1,500 pound a year?
Yeah.
Jesus, wow. That is not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Okay.
But if it was monthly, it'd be 3,400.
Fucking
so that's
wow. Yeah, it's almost worth paying it in one lump. What's your car history then? Like, what cars did you have leading up to this car?
So of course, a VXR.
You're joking.
Yeah.
Of course, a VXR.
Then I jumped to this.
And you hopped into this.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. So you say that basically we can send. Can you send 100% of the power to the rear?
No,
so no, you can't. No. So what's the divide?
Well, it's more front biased,
okay.
But it does. Like you can get the back end out in this car.
You can get the back end out. Okay. So it must be sending what 60% at least?
About 60.
And you're saying when you turn everything off, what traction control and everything, right, you're sliding around all over the place.
Sliding around all over the place.
And you drive this car hard too, don't you?
Hard, yeah, very hard. We're doing a little launch now. Nothing behind us.
Alright then. Jesus Christ! Fuck. Hey, yeah. Fucking roller coaster, isn't it? There was no wheel spin there.
Yeah,
it just went. Fucking hell. That's wicked. And what you're saying, these 0 to 60s are about 3 point...
Well, with the box on, I'll say it's about 3.5, 3.6.
3.5, 3.6.
But I haven't got a V-box yet, so just say that.
But you know what? People have been doing those kind of times, haven't they?
Yeah.
You research and people have been... and all this from a 5-door hatchback. You know, you could have the kids in the back and someone when you have kids, or if you have kids, or, you know, it's crazy. And the way you've got this, like the design of the car too, did you, because it's all blacked out, it's like murdered, like, you know, which I love. Did you make the wheels black? Or
oh no, that's the owner before who I knew done it all himself.
Okay, cool. So all the kind of aesthetics around the side, like I noticed it's got carbon wing mirrors, which is really cool.
I put them on myself.
Oh, you done that? Okay, yeah, nice little touches, man. I do like it, the blacked out kind of look. As far as the mods go, have you got any plans for any more? Or?
Well, if I do keep it for longer, I've got MRC Stage 2.
MRC Stage, and what kind of power will you be looking at with that?
460.
460. That's rapid. That'll be rapid. Okay, cool. And you actually say that you've got a friend with a 500 brake horsepower S3.
Yeah.
That was tuned by MRC.
Yeah, MRC Stage 3.
And hopefully, guys, we'll get him down if he's watching this. Yeah. Come down. We'll sort out a video on that, because that would be crazy. When you buy a car like this, obviously it's probably not everyone's main concern, but I've got to ask, because for me it does matter a little bit. But fuel consumption. I know you say you drive this car hard, but if you want to cruise, and what can you get? What, in fact, what? Oh, all right. So guys, 20 mpg.
This is 20 just from like driving. But if I was to put my foot down, it will go down to 9.
You get it down to 9?
Yeah, I'll get it down to 9.
Jesus.
If I'm really tearing about.
Jesus. So on a cruise, let's say 7th gear, driving like Miss Daisy, what kind of speed, what kind of MPG you get?
30.
30, really?
Yeah, about 30, that's right.
No, right.
About 30, yeah.
Well, that's straight. Do you know what? In my A45, I shit you not, maybe when I get it back from MSL, it might be a different story. But at the moment, stage 1, I can get 44 miles to the gallon. That's crazy, isn't it? And reliability with these, am I right in saying they're actually quite bulletproof?
Yeah, bulletproof, engines bulletproof.
People run these up to stupid brake horsepower without forging the engine, right?
600-700 brake.
Really? Safe for?
Yes.
Guys, if you don't know, me and Peter don't really know each other. The only time we've met was on the road.
Yeah, right. That was it, right?
Oh, we had a race.
Yeah, that was it, yeah.
At the time, my car was running an MSL Stage 1, so it was 421 brake horsepower, and yours just had a panel filter.
Yeah, just a panel filter.
And it was making what, about 370?
Yeah, about 370.
And guys, don't get me wrong, I pulled on him. I did have him. Now, I don't know if we put the cars side by side, I don't know who would win, but I did pull on him. Have you had races with many other cars, and what cars have you beat? And being in this car, obviously, people want to race you, don't they? Like, you know, it's a loud, obnoxious car kind of thing. It stands out. So
I've had against E92 M3.
E92 M3, I used to own one of them too, you know.
I gapped him.
You gapped him? Do you know what? I gapped E92 M3s. In fact, there's one guy who I didn't gap. He's probably watching this laughing, saying I didn't gap him, and it's true, I'll give it to him. But most E92 M3s I gapped.
Yeah, most. R8 VA.
R8 VA? You gapped?
But
they're not that quick, are they?
They're not that quick, no.
Do you know what? I would be so upset if I owned an R8 and I got beat by RS3.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it, really.
That's about it. No, fair enough. You've only owned your car since December.
But you know, if there's anyone that want to line up, I can do it.
Oh yeah, you hear that, guys? Right, listen. He's ready. And when I get my car back from MSL, I'm ready.
Yeah.
For you too, bro. All right, my turn. All right. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. Having had S3. Mate, that sound. That's something else. That is something else.
Got traction in sport as well.
Yeah, you trust me, yeah?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Because the thing with these, yeah, it will. If you got traction on, it will just cut it a lot.
What's that, neutral?
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, that's got a nice pickup, man. Jesus. Yeah, this is quick, bro. I'm barely touching the throttle too to make it do that, you know. And the thing about it is, I like the weight of the stick. Like the steering wheel feels really nice too. It's the half Alcantara, half leather one, and I like if it's got a good weight to it. And now when you change through the drive, the comfort
if you change, put it to comfort, now just look how light it goes.
Really light, hey. Okay, cool. And this is electric steering.
Yeah.
Obviously. If you know me, I like my cars with drama. I like them to pop. I like them to crack. And this one, like the downshifts, I don't know if I can drop one now.
Yeah, drop it.
Yeah. Jesus. Yeah, that sounds nice. So, what suspension setting are we in? We're in the most aggressive.
Yeah, most aggressive. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Because it does feels quite hard, but it's quite forgiving.
Yeah, it's forgiving. Yeah.
If I'm honest with you, it's actually a softer suspension than my A45. And it's not too bad. My first impressions aren't too bad. Yeah. How'd you do that rolling launch, bro?
So literally.
Yeah.
So that was stupid then. So you have to downshift straight away as soon as you see, and then put your foot flat to the floor.
Well, as soon as I downshift it,
foot flat to the floor.
Alright, let's see. Alright. Okay, I heard it.
Yeah.
I heard it. Was that right?
Yeah, that was right, but try and get it like so go to like 4.
So where shall I do it? Like
back now.
Bro, yeah, man, this car's something else.
It's quick. It is quick.
Yeah, this car's quick. This car's quick. So it'll go past 155.
I've done 170.
You've done 170?
Yeah.
Shit.
And I was in 50, I've still got 7 left.
You got 7. Fuck it. In Mexico, of course.
Yeah,
in Mexico. Jesus. Yeah, I can believe it. I can easily believe it. Just the sound of it. And I tell you what, the gear changes, they're lightning quick. They are really light. This is a twin clutch transmission, right? Okay, cool. Bro, these gearboxes now, especially in this car, they're so faultless. Bro, like, you know what? After even in my car, like, it can be a little bit lazy, but it's so good and the gear changes are so quick. Bro, I don't even want to change gear myself no more. I can't be let the car do it, bro. It's doing it better than me and quicker than me, and it's sounding better too. Like, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, this gearbox is really a peach. I would definitely say anyone who's considering buying one of these cars, get one. How do you do the launch?
So literally, foot on the brake, foot on the throttle.
And that's it?
Try it now, just try it. Yeah, so I'll do it. That's literally it.
I'll tell you what, the A45 is a different level to try and get in.
Oh yeah,
mate, flat this, push that, twist that. Oh man, it's mad.
Especially in this weather.
Yes, of course. Endless grip. Yeah, this is a tool. Alright guys, so I think we're going to end it there. Thanks for watching today, and thank you, Peter. Nice one for coming down and letting me have a drive of your motor, your pride and joy. Mate, you've got a beast here. We'll have to meet up again when my car's tuned. We'll have a play. Guys, if you enjoyed it, remember to give it a like, you know, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.